Hello folks, this is BKinnison over here at BISH'S RV in Meridian. Behind me I have a 2022 Heartland North Trail 21 RBSS. Let's go take a look inside. Alrighty folks, so now that we're inside the coach, I like to start at the front here. Nice big king size bed with USB outlets on both sides of the bed. Nice cabinetry for storing clothes and anything else you need up top. You do also have an outlet right there in the center as well. Going on to this side of the coach, you have a love seat for two. You also have this fold-up table. So this table actually folds up and you can store it right behind that couch. That way it's not in your way. More storage above this sofa over here. On this side of the coach, you have your entertainment center. Your TV would go right here with all the controls right here. You can plug your DVD player or anything like that straight into this. I love these countertops. These are that butcher block style countertops. Really love the color on these guys. Just brings some color into this coach. Makes it super homey. 3-burner stove with the oven, so you can still bake those rolls or casseroles or anything like that while you're out camping. Nice big sink here. You can really do some dishes in here. It's not a split sink, so you're not having to worry about dealing with a little tiny sink. Right over here is your refrigerator. Kind of different setup. It's in the back of the coach this time. They're just really trying to optimize the space. And then you also have a little closet right here. All these drawers are removable, and there is a little pull up here, so you could use this as an extra closet as well. Moving on into the bathroom, you're going to have a nice big corner shower here with the glass doors, as well as towel storage or extra shampoo bottles or anything like that along the side here. For how small this little trailer is, there's a ton of storage. Right here is going to be your sink with the medicine cabinet as well. Let's go take a look outside. Alrighty folks, to start out with, you do have this great big King Kong storage right here. There is just an absolute ton of space in here. You can fit all those camp chairs, camp cooking equipment, everything you need will fit right in there. Does have electric stabilizer jacks as well. Nice big awning. It's a 14-foot awning with the LED lights running underneath of it. You also have your outside speakers. Nice solid steps, so when you're walking in here, this coach isn't shifting and moving on you. These are just super nice, make it super convenient for you. Now this coach is prepped for a backup camera. There's a little plug-in right behind that bracket. You just plug it in, you can see everything behind you. We call it the marriage saver, so your wife's not back here trying to tell you where to go. You can see everything by yourself. Little wet bay right here with your outside shower. Then this will be the back of that pass-through storage, folks, right here. It is a little smaller on this side, just because that's the only place to put the hot water heater on this coach, but it is accessible from both sides. Now that is our 2022 Heartland North Trail 21 RBSS. If you guys like this video, like and subscribe below.